Hello students, in this video I am going to tell you how to post it from journal to ledger. Before that, as I have explained you in my previous class in Zoom session that the meaning of ledger and the rules, even format also I have explained, but let's see, again I am going to explain you ledger, meaning of ledger. It refers to ledger refers to posting of all the transactions recorded in the books of original entry into a separate accounts. These accounts are called ledger account. Posted means just transactions what we have recorded in original book is going to shift in another book to classify it. So this is called ledger account. But when we are going to post from original book into ledger, then from cash book only two transactions cannot be posted. One contra entry cannot be posted because that is not very only internal transfer, that's why it is not posted into ledger, and opening and closing balances of cash that also will not be posted into ledger, and rest of the all transactions will be posted into ledger account. Okay, so let's see about the rules. All the transactions, as I have told you that all the transactions recorded in the books of original entry will be posted into ledger. Second, personal account and real account should be balanced, but nominal account should be totaled. Means if there is a personal account or real account, so we have to balance it, just like in cash book we have done. Just while balancing balance CD or balance BD, we are taking as a difference of debit side and credit side. So we have to balance all the personal and real account, but nominal account should be total only, no need to balance it, because when we will prepare ledger account of any nominal account, so all the transactions will be posted either in debit side or in credit side. So there will be transaction in one side only. That's why it do not require to be balanced. Just find the total that will be balanced also. Okay. Now, as I have said that I am going to explain that how to post from journal to ledger. So a simple rule is there from posting journal to ledger, and rules is posting will be same side with opposite account. Posting will be same side with opposite account. It means like that if we are going to open purchase account, so in journal if purchase account is debited, so posting will be in debit side, because purchase account is debited, so posting will be in debit side. If purchase account is credited, so posting will be in credit side. Means posting will be same side with opposite account. Means like entries purchase account debit to cash account, opposite account is cash, so in debit side write down to cash account. If purchase account is credited, so in debit there is a drawing account, so posting will be in credit side, opposite account is drawing, so by drawing account. It means posting will be in same side with opposite account. I hope you all have understand this. So I am just going to tell you how to post from journal to ledger. For this purpose, first of all, we have to prepare a journal entry. Let's see how to maintain journal. See, I am going to prepare journal entry from, but only journal entry. I am not going to make narration. I am not going to, only the posting I am going to write the entry only in a proper column. Just see this. Even I will tell you that what are the uses of LF and JF. See, this is column for journal. Are you able to see it properly? Yes. See, and here ledger. In ledger, as we know, the column of ledger is very similar to cash book, double-sided, date particular GF amount, and again here date particular. See everyone, this is the column for ledger account. Column's name date, particulars, its GF amount, date, particulars, GF amount, credit side and debit side. In journal, name of column is date, particulars, JF, amount debit and amount credit. So I am going to pass 5 transactions here and I will post into ledger. Let's see. 2020 on July 1st, transaction is started business with cash, then entry will be cash account debit to capital account, then amount is 50,000 for example. On July 4, purchase furniture, then entry will be what comes in furniture, then furniture account debit to cash account, like it is of rupees 5,000. Purchased goods also on 7, so it will be for goods we use purchases, so purchases account debit to cash account of rupees 12,000. On 10, sold goods for cash, then you are receiving cash account debit to sales account, amount is 10,000. After that on 15 you have paid 2 expenses. You have paid wages, then wages account debit, you have purchased stationery also, then stationery account debit, all are paid in cash, then to cash account, amount is wages like 4,000, stationery of 1,000, total is 5,000. One last entry on 20, like that, purchase goods for cash from Mohan, then purchases account debit to Mohan. It was of 6,000. Let that, these are the transactions what I have recorded in journals. Now I am going to post it into ledger. So first of all, let me clear the use of JF and, here it is LF. In journal we write LF and in ledger we write JF. So what are the use? Like that, the page number of journal, it is 67. It's a page number of journal, and page number of ledger, it is like a 12, page number 12. So here first transaction is cash account debited. So we are going to open ledger account for cash account. So in any entry, if cash account is debited, so posting will be in debit side, and if cash account is credited, so posting will be in credit side. See, cash account is debited July 1st, so posting in debit side. 2020 July 1, it is 2, opposite account is capital, then we write to capital account, amount is 50,000. And see, LF column, it's a page number 12. So in LF we write here 12 and journal page number is 67. So here we write 67. Again, cash is credited in second entry, so posting will be in credit side. 2020 July 4. Opposite account is furniture. So by furniture account it is of rupees 5,000. Again cash is credited, so posting will be in credit side. July 7. Yes, July 7. Opposite account is purchases. So purchases account amount is 12,000. Remember, I have written LF number 12 here and GF number 67 here. So that is the way only. I am not going to write everywhere. So because page number will be changed when practically we are going to use it. So that is the way to use GF column and LF column. I hope that you all have understand this. Let's see the other. In next transaction on 10, it is debited. So July 10, opposite account is sales account. Amount is 10,000. So yes, it is 10,000 in cash column. In next column, it is cash is credited. So posting in credit side, and in opposite two accounts are there. So both the account will be written. On 15, opposite account is by wages account and by stationery account. It is of 4,000 and 1,000. And in last entry you can see there is no cash, so there will be no posting in cash. So it will be closed as usual. Total of this side is 60,000. Total will be 60,000 because debit side is more. So last day of July 31, we have to balance it. So balance CD 12, 5, 17, 18, 22. 22 balance is coming 38,000. So total become 60. So this is the first ledger account what I have prepared. Next account is capital account and it is personal account. So it also should be balanced. So in journal entry capital is credited. So posting will be in credit side. Date is same. July 1. Opposite account is cash account. So by cash account it is of 50,000. No more transaction given. So in debit side we can write 2,000. It is July 31. By balance, closing balance, because there is no transaction on that side. So by balance CD, it is 50,000 and it is closed. One more thing, this is the closing balance 38,000. It will be opening balance of this side. So we can write here after July it will be August 1. So August 1 balance BD, how much it was? 38,000. So it can be recorded here. So this is the capital account. This closing balance will come this side by balance BD 50,000. After capital account, next account cash capital, it's a furniture, it's a real account. It is also posted like that. Furniture is debited, so posting in debit side. On July 4, opposite account is cash account. So to cash account, it is of 5,000. No more transaction related to furniture. So it will be closed on 31st, last day of the month. Balance CD, it is of 5,000. And then this balance will be opening means on August 1st. to balance BD, it is of 5,000. So like this only we have to open all the ledger account. I have opened 3 accounts: cash account, real account, capital account, personal account, furniture account. It's a real account. And in this way we have to prepare other account also, like see what are the remaining accounts. I have opened till furniture. So purchases account we have to open. It's a nominal account, so just total it only and leave that. Sales account, just nominal account, then total it and leave that. Wages, stationery, nominal account, just post it and make the total of it and leave it. And purchases. And Mohan also account should be open. It's a personal account, then it should be balanced. And I hope that you all have understand how to open ledger account from journal. So this is the example only. You can go to your textbook, just solve some journal entry first, prepare some journal entry first, and from that journals post into ledger account, prepare your ledger account. And all the account what you have opened in journal must be opened in ledger also. Clear? So you all are requested to solve some questions from your textbook related to journals, posting from journal to ledgers. In next video, I will tell you that how to post from cash book to ledger in my next video. Okay?